It's time to hike the trail at the High Falls State Park in Jackson, Georgia. And you're walking alongside the water. As a Brazilian living in the US, that makes it feel completely different. There are trail markers to assist you throughout the way. Even so, I still stepped off the path a few times unintentionally. There are small steep hills, so you have to watch out your step and be careful. There is shade from many trees, but the sun still comes through. So next time, I'll make sure to bring a hat. Slowly walking here with the view of the waterfall feels like stepping inside a peaceful place. You are invited by nature to stop at some points and take in the view for a few moments before continuing your hike. That amazing feeling from walking the trail recharges your energy, and that is something I'll never forget.